A child's imagination is full of endless possibilities. Sometimes we need more to harvest that creativity. Sometimes we need Thingify. Let our experts' insight help focus your creative site to visualize and create any idea. Taking it all the way from concept to completion will be easy with our state-of-the-art 3D printers. A 3D printed object allows the freedom to bring ideas to life in a functional, engaging, and fun way. Thingify can even help make a simple or intricate personalized gift for a friend or loved one, creating memories that will last forever. Thingify your imagination and go from think to thing exclusively at Thingify.
3D printing, just a few years ago, people started learning more and more about this technology. Just as the internet allowed everybody to own their own publishing, 3D printing has allowed everybody to own their own manufacturing. 3D printing gives us tools, new tools as entrepreneurs and as creatives, ways for telling our stories. We want you to be part of this creative process. We want to take you in back doors to the 3D printing, everything from, holding your hand for the entire creative process. We have a creative team with capabilities in product design. What I'm thinking is doing a set of educational boot camps to actually allow people to create their own businesses around 3D printing, and so that you could either use us as a resource or anybody else in the industry who provides machines, who provides 3D printing services, who provides 3D design services. Because I want everybody to be able to tap into all of the resources out there. Resources that have taken us, countless amounts of energy and time just to be able to find.